In this corona times, after social distancing, cleaning and disinfecting should be the next goal. Do you know what is the difference between cleaning and disinfecting, and why both are equally important? Cleaning removes germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces or objects. It may or may not remove germs completely, but it lowers their numbers and risk of spreading infection. Disinfecting kills germs by using chemicals. It doesn't clean dirt surfaces. So cleaning, followed by disinfecting, kills maximum number of germs, which further lowers the risk of infection. Clean and disinfect objects and surfaces touched often. This is important for house, school, office, community centers, and all commercial facilities. Surfaces and objects impacted with body fluids or blood need deep cleaning and disinfection. Do not ignore your phones. Use disinfecting wipes on all electronic items that are touched often, which includes phone, tablets, laptops, etc. For carpeted floor, rugs, remove visible contamination and clean with appropriate cleaners. If the items can be laundered, use the warmest possible water setting in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. The risk of exposure to cleaning staff is inherently low, but cleaner must wear disposable gloves and gowns with a mask.